Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to share an amazing video about Fiverr gig and which have very low competition and you can earn without any effort. If you have good voice, you can create a gig on Fiverr related to voiceover. Here I will show you the example how people ask about Fiverr voiceover gig. Here is a buyer request from the user. They want a voiceover artist for YouTube videos and they explain about the script 30 seconds and they already mention about their budget 100 USD per hour. Like just for voiceover they will pay you 100 USD per hour. Same way one more buyer request about voiceover. They want in UK and $5 per 500 words. There are so many different kinds of buyer requests and you can also bid according to your budget. If you have good voice, they will definitely pay you. Male, female, young, adult, and if you have knowledge about different video editing tools, you can also share different types of services. Like you can just change the tone from female to male and kid sound, animation sound. You can offer so many types of services in just voiceover gig. So just move to Fiverr account and let's check how people offer this service about voiceover. If you have no idea how to create a gig on Fiverr, you can just simply sign up here, and after that if you are a new user you can create 7 gigs about any topic. There are categories and subcategories, so you just create on a specific category. There is no rule and restrictions about any category. You can create all 7 gigs on 7 different categories, and you can also create 7 gigs on the same topic. Like there is no restrictions if you want to create all 7 gig related to voiceover. So when you create a gig on a specific topic, like if you have voiceover gig, you can only see buyer request according to the voiceover. If you have not created any gig related to voiceover, there will be no buyer request will be shown on your side related to voiceover. So you have to create gig related to voiceover. So let me search voice over, just one keyword. You can see here's so many keyword: voiceover female, voiceover German, Italian, Hindi, English, French, and YouTube. You just have to first search out voiceover to examine what this gig is actually. So here you can see there are 23,000 plus gigs. There are few filters: English, German, French, Arabic, Italian, and there are so many other languages. When you click on see all button, category and voiceover option, seller detail, like budget, delivery time. So when you apply the filter, the list of the user will be increased or decreased according to the filter. Mostly clients firstly click on online seller. When you click on online seller, you can see 23,000 gigs will be decreased very quickly by applying just one filter like online sellers. And here we go, you can see only 1368 gigs and user. I just apply only one filter, which is online sellers. When you click on again a specific category, like you want voiceover related to female or a male or a kid, let's have a check this gig, voiceover female. How many gigs? 15,423. So if you click on online seller, just 942 gigs. Now question is how you can create gig related to voiceover. Here you have so many example gig, or you can say a sample gig of different user related to your skill. If you want voiceover, female voiceover, you can check gig from this list, how you can create your own gig type of gig. So just click on a gig. Let me check this one. I will record an American English female voiceover. She have done 31 orders here. How you can offer this service, like she explained 150 words. She can speak 150 words within $5, 1052 PKR, which is Pakistani currency. And here is about the gig, what she offers. Her voice style, there are different types of style she offer in this gig. Description about the gig. So basically a gig based on category, subcategory, and description, and price, and how many words you can speak. This one thumbnail, and also a sample video as well. So first step, you have to click on create a gig, and you just select the title. You can see I will record an American English female voiceover. It's the title of the gig. And music, audio, and voiceover, it's the category and subcategory. This is the main thing you have to focus, like you have to select main category music and audio, and subcategory voiceover. After that, you have to write keywords, like this is the related tag. She is using these 5 tags. You can also use whatever you want, like you can use English voiceover, female voiceover. 5 tags you can use in the gig. After that, you have to describe about the gig, what type of services you can offer. So here's the sample of this gig, how you can create and write your own description. You can see other gigs as well. You cannot copy paste this. You can check the ideas. You have to write by your own self. After that, you have to choose how many days you will took for delivery, and how many revisions, and about your package detail, which is 150 word and $5 she is offering. You can offer whatever you want. After that, on the next button, you will ask about to upload a sample voiceover clips, audio video clips, and a thumbnail. You can post 3 pictures, 1 video, and 1 or 2 audio as well. When your gig is successfully published, you will receive direct orders as well. If your gig is ranked on first page, if you're not receiving the order, there is other option, which is buy request. Let me show you. Like these type of buy request, when you create gig on voiceover, you will get these types of request on your buy request option. You just click on buy request, and all buy request list will be shown up here. So you can apply and send 10 offer per day. If a client like your sample voice, they will contact you and order will be start. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.